Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect AWS Amplify Auth with a Flutter mobile app step by step clearly. First, open your Flutter project in your preferred integrated development environment. Next, ensure that you have the Amplify CLI installed on your machine. You can install it using npm with the command npm install g at AWS Amplify/CLI. Once installed, navigate to your project directory in the terminal. Run the command amplify configure to set up your AWS account for Amplify. Follow the prompts to create a new IAM user and configure your credentials. After that, initialize Amplify in your Flutter project by running Amplify init. Provide the necessary details when prompted, including your project name and environment. Once the initialization is complete, add authentication by executing the command amplify add auth. Choose the default configuration for a simple authentication setup. Now, run Amplify push to deploy the authentication service to your AWS account. After the deployment completes, install the required Amplify packages in your Flutter project. Open your pubspec.yaml file and add the following dependencies: amplify_flutter and amplify_auth_cognito. Save the file and run flutter pub-get to install the new packages. Next, open your main Dart file and import the Amplify libraries at the top. Initialize Amplify in your app by creating an instance of the Amplify class. Call the amplify.addPlugin method to add the auth plugin. Then, call amplify.configure and pass your configuration details to it. For handling authentication, create UI components like sign-in and sign-up forms. Implement functions to handle sign-up and sign-in using the Amplify auth methods. Ensure that you handle errors and display appropriate messages to the user during authentication. You might also want to implement a session management strategy to keep users logged in. Test your application by running it on an emulator or device. After confirming that authentication works as expected, consider customizing your application further. You may want to enhance the user experience with features like password recovery and account verification. Finally, review your code for any potential improvements or optimizations. Your Flutter app should now be successfully connected to AWS Amplify Auth. With that, you have completed the integration step by step. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.